Hollandaise is a warm emulsion sauce. To make a hollandaise, we take egg yolks, vinegar reduction, and clarified butter. We take our egg yolks and our vinegar reduction and put it over a bain-marie or a double boiler and whisk it out till you achieve a sabayon. Once we've achieved a sabayon, we then start adding our clarified butter a small part at a time, whisking continuously until it's taken on the right amount. We then season the sauce. If for some reason your emulsion breaks, whether it be too much fat or too much water, it can be balanced out. To re-emulsify a split hollandaise, take 3 tablespoons of warm water and add it slowly while whisking, and it should come back together. We keep hollandaise for no more than 2 hours. Because it is a warm emulsion sauce, it needs to stay out at room temperature, which is perfect for bacterial growth in the danger zone. You cannot store hollandaise in the refrigerator. What happens is the butter will set, and when you try and melt it and bring it back, it will split.